guys, running Kimono here. So this is an absolute fire deal. 90% off candy over at Walgreens, 40 cents each. Use some Walgreens cash and you're laughing all the way to the bank. I'm gonna show you the UPCs and talk about that first. Along with, I did a 10 off of 30 in store and it worked beautifully. I wanted to test that out today to let you guys know it is in fact working. I did another deal over at Rite Aid here, and then a little bit of Meyer action here, and then I found these at Dollar General. So weather report for you guys, it's a snowy one and it's really starting to spit the snow, so you have to, I'm off the roads. It's a dangerous one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so if you can head out to your store ASAP, this is a deal I would be on the hunt for. So it is on these Snickers and these variety bags of candy. So it is these little sharing sizes. So where I specifically found this in the store, guys, is at, you know where they have the Valentine's Day display? There's a little end cap near there. I'll throw in a photo right here. That's where they're located. One store they had them tagged, another store that I visited today, they were ringing up full price. So it's a 50-50 shot if you might have the same pricing as I. But I would definitely in the next week or two specifically look for these products and see what they're tagged at. Ask a cashier to scan one for you. So to pay 90% off for this candy, it is unheard of. And this is Snickers we're talking about. So this sharing size, that is 9 ounces. It's not even focused. Okay, so this sharing size of the Snickers, that's 9.70 ounces. 40 cents. And here is the UPC for the exact one. This little, like it's a variety pack, and it was also 40 cents. And here is the UPC. And these are not expiring until August of 2021. So I'm thinking perhaps, maybe, possibly there was an error in the packaging or some sort of spelling mistake in this or something. But I got 9 of them in a transaction, and I used $3 of Walgreens cash and paid 60 cents for all of this. So it's a really good item to have in your stockpile. I have a friend's birthday and I'm going to be mailing her a gift. I'm going to throw some of these in there. I mean, how fantastic is that? 30 pieces. I mean, that's really, really cool. So I am absolutely delighted with this. If you could head out sooner than later, go to your store and check it out. Again, it's that end cap near the Halloween, or near the Valentine's Day candy, and like 40 cents per bag. I mean, shut up. That's a great deal. Okay, so many of you were telling me that the 10 off of 30 is working, and other people on Instagram were saying it too. Now, as you know, I have 5 cottonelles here, just a variety of them, and the store that I was visiting today had a huge amount of it, and there was no signage like 2 per person or else. So I decided today, you know, because I had $1 cottonelle coupons, that I was going to do something kind of outside of the box and do a toilet paper haul, because why not? So I got 5 of these, and they're $5.99 a piece, so that's $29.95. And then to get me right to the $30 mark, I threw in some clearance candy, so 40 cents for that. So the total basket for 5 of these beautifuls and then the little candy is $30.35. Now I had one $4 register reward from earlier in the week that attached to this, plus dollar coupons from the Smart Source of January the 17th. They all attached to those ones. So after all of that nonsense, the 10 off of 30 also came off. The new total is $11.35. Now you can absolutely use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, and that's what I did. So I had to pay $1.35 plus tax. And hold on to your hat for a quick second, guys. I photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I got 300 points for this purchase. So, I mean, because Cottonelle is part of their catalog, so you will get back extra points for that. If you have never heard of this app, today is the day to sign up. Check out the referral code in the notes, use it, and when you scan your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum or this that you buy today. It doesn't have to be anything specific. You're given $2. I mean, it's a great app. You get points towards gift cards. It's that easy. Sign up with my link. Terrific, terrific, terrific app. Okay, yes, I lost $10 of Walgreens cash, but to get this gorgeous haul of this much toilet paper and this much candy, I mean, it's totally worth it. I think for all of this, I think I paid just under $2. So I'm like really excited about Walgreens today. It's working. I'm delighted. How wonderful is this? Okay guys, and the last thing I'm going to leave you with is to be on the lookout for a lot of the hefty garbage bags that are on clearance. The clearance right now is kind of sparingly, it's not that much savings, but I think in the next couple of weeks these bags, if they're still around, might drop considerably. So this is something that you should really keep an eye out for when you're in the store, so especially if you need garbage bags. Okay, so now we're over at Rite Aid, and I gotta say the store that I was visiting today, my 20% gold discount was not working on certain items. This guy that's $7.99, I did not get a gold discount on it. So they must have done some sort of change with the cash registers up at this one store, but it's okay. I mean, I didn't really lose my shirt that badly over this. But I did have extra, like I had a couple candy bars in there. Yeah, of course I need more candy to get my total right to 50, but I didn't even need it because I assumed I would get a gold discount, but I didn't get it, so meh. So also this guy was supposed to be on for $3.49 on some clearance, but it rang up full price. So some of the tags at the store were kind of goofy, so I kind of got nibbled on that one, but I'm okay with it. It's not the worst thing. Well, we are a big fan in our household of this free and clear pod. My husband he hates anything with a fragrance. So yeah, I got a bunch of these. They are $4.94 and I got one liquid. I had 2 digitals and 1 digital for this, and then I used 2 from the January P&G for those. So that's $35.68. I should have not grabbed one of these because with the purchase of these 2, I thought one was on clearance, so it would be a lot less, but it rang up full price. But I actually, if you were gonna try and emulate this deal, grab 3 plus grab 4 of those and 2 of these. That's all you need. But these wasn't tagged properly at the store, so that's why I grabbed an extra one. These 2 secrets are $5.49, and we have a $5.99 off of 2. So that's why I wanted to use that, and that is a digital coupon. Okay, take a breath. So for all of this P&G stuff, that include these 2 and these 5, it's $35.68. They have a promotion of spend 30, get back 10, plus they have that paper one of $15 of bonus cash when you buy 50. So $35 right there. And then I also threw in 2 of these, and they are $7.99 a pop, and you get an extra $4 back when you buy 1. So I got 2 of these, but this basket altogether, guys, is $51.66. And so I got the cashier to scan the 15 when you spend 50, and then I had digital coupons for these 2 and this one, and then the $5.99 off of that, and I had 2 paper ones for the pods. So after all of that came off, it was $35.67. On this specific store card, I used all of my bonus cash on it. And then I got back $15 of bonus cash for my $50 basket, 10 for the Tide, and then an extra 8 for these, 4 for each. So it was like $267 after everything is said and done. I would have been further ahead if I just would have been a little smarter with my basket, but a lot of the stuff in this one store either was placed in the wrong area or it was mistagged, and that just happens sometimes. But still, $267 for all of this. It's a really fantastic haul. So that was Rite Aid. Rite Aid. Rite Aid's been kind of frustrating for me this week because a lot of stuff just isn't going perfectly. But this actual haul went not as bad as I thought. And I was very happy to roll all of my bonus cash to roll it into something else. So there you have that. Dollar General, they have their quarter sale, and I went to the store that I normally don't go to, and I found these really cute Minion stockings, and I thought next year for a Christmas gift, I might put my mom's Christmas gifts in this. They were $4, and now they're down to a quarter, so I just grabbed 2 of them. And this quarter sale is running right until next Monday, and then probably the Tuesday following, everything will go down to 10 cents. So that was the Dollar General. Over at Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. I looked for more of these Rolaids today, and these are $3.19 each for these 60 count. Now, when you buy one, a $3 coupon will pop out of the Catalina machine. It's a manufacturer coupon that you could use on your next transaction, dropping it down to 19. Well, yesterday I got one of those coupons, and then today the store I visited, I grabbed 5 more. This is something we use a lot in our household, so I was very delighted to pay 19 cents for each. 5 separate transactions, and I am just stupid with Rolaids. And no, I did not clear the store, just to let you guys know. But 19 cents, I did 5 transactions for an item that we'll use. I believe this little price at $3.19 ends on the 23rd, so do it by Saturday. And the last deal that I did is with the L'Oreal Elvis shampoo. It's called Elvive, but I think it's the dumbest name for a shampoo. It's just really hard to enunciate. These guys are like $3 and some change, but when you buy 2, you save $5 automatically. So buying 2 sets of it at $14.36, I saved $10 automatically. And then I had a 4 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, dropping it to 36 cents for the 4. Not exactly free, but I really wanted this shampoo, so I was delighted with this little haul. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and get out to Walgreens to look for that right away. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.